Hi, I'm Dr. Belinda. I'm the owner of Sonrisa British Dental Clinic here in Calahonda, Mijas Costa, Malaga. I'm the mother of two beautiful kids, a boy and a girl, and happily married with my husband. I love to spend my time here in Sonrisa. It was established 16 years ago, but 10 years ago I took over. I bought new premises and I built this nice clinic. I used to be working in England, and after treating so many anxious patients, I decided to build a clinic which will be good for anxious people. So I did a feng shui study. I made a very comfy waiting room. All the surgeries are big, spacious, calm. We have sea views and I enjoy working here. This is very nice to be here. I met my husband in Brazil when I was doing my master degree in digital smile design. This was 12, 13 years ago, I never remember. And well, we've been together since then. So dentistry took me to my husband. I've done some charity work in Cambodia. I was working for a time in a very remote island, treating the kids, treating the adults who had no hygiene, who didn't even have toothbrushes. So I helped them to get back their teeth. I fixed them. I removed the ones that couldn't be saved, and I helped them to teach them how to take care of them and to stop using the sugar, because it's amazing how in those islands they do not have access to dental hygiene, but they do have access to fizzy drinks, sugar, and all these things that are not good for their teeth. It was amazing to help those people. I'm planning to go back soon with my family this time. So a lot of anxious patients come to me because they hear I don't hurt people. Well, I never liked going to the dentist. So I was always scared. So I think I'm a very calm person and I'm very reassuring. So I don't like people to feel the fear I used to feel of my uncle. So I am calm. I take my time. I take the time people need to get to know me a little bit. And when I think and when I feel they are calm and relaxed to go for the treatment, then I start. There are people who need to know what they are going to have done. There are other people who don't want to know anything. So I always make sure that people do not see anything I have. And I even have a constellation on the ceiling. It's a big star constellation. So when people are lying back, they can look at the stars. In each room, I have a different thing. One is a constellation, another one is a forest, another one is the desert. So I make sure it's a nice atmosphere. I think the main thing is I'm confident in what I do. So people can see it, and I think this gives them peace, and they are relaxed to go ahead with the treatments or with whatever they need. I like to hear what are their needs. So I think this helps. I think it's just the way I am. I'm not stressed. I work with time. I think this all helps. A few years ago, I went to India. I spent some time in a few ashrams there, in the north, in the south. I did some traveling. After living in England and having this materialistic life and rushed life, I thought I had to connect a little bit with myself. So I spent some time there reconnecting, doing yoga, feeling a little bit myself, and this helped me a lot because this way felt better working. I could connect better with the people I had in front of me. This helped me in my daily life, and I think it has helped me to connect with the people. This way I feel like that I can help them to achieve their goals, to get back their confidence. I knew I was going to be involved in surgical dentistry because since I was 6, I used to open everything, and I used to like what was inside of everything, and I always like to change things, make them different, try here and there and see how things could go back to how they were before. And I always like to improve things.